Hey guys, this is just a quick video just to show you the process we use when putting together some custom products. So in this case, I'm doing an LED with a custom base for the United Mustang Club of Ontario. It's a friend of mine that I've worked with for quite some time and done a couple of projects with. So this is doing the base plates. This is an engraving in a product from that we get from Trotec. It's a 1/16. It has a metallic type finish that you can engrave, cut, and it's backed with a 3M tape. So you can basically adhere it to pretty much anything. You'll see that in a second. Basically engrave these out, pop them out, and then stick them on the base. And it really gives a quality to the base, makes it look more like a trophy than a home decor type thing. So you'll see that in a second. Of course, turn the air assist off when engraving, so we don't have any scorching. Just need to wipe it down with a quick rag and you're good to go. So here you see I'm adhering this to the base. And what's cool too is that there's a touch control on the top of that LED that still functions through this material. So you basically just touch on the logo or the person's name here in this case, and it'll still cycle through the modes of the LED. A little bit of pressure and that is on for good. You see I'm calibrating the Z-axis of the bed using the calibration tool here. As soon as that falls or starts to touch, you're at the right height. Okay, next up here we're cutting the LED plates themselves, the acrylic plate that's used to you put the logo onto. Always engrave them in reverse so that the front of it is nice and clear. So you're basically putting it on the back of it. So using Adobe Illustrator 2021 right now, we're basically just printing and sending a job through to Job Control. You see that crosshair on the screen. I'll show in a second. That's basically where my laser is right now, where the pointer is. So I'm going to go and drag and drop that, align it, and I have the two ready to go. In this case, I just used the Trotec preset for this material, and in order to engrave and to cut. So it should be doing, I believe, both engraves followed by the cut. I think it takes about half an hour or so to do it. It's on the quality setting. I know it can do it quicker, but I have nothing else going on. So start that guy up, and here's a quick time lapse of that 30 minutes. I gotta say, this quality of this laser, the Trotec, is just absolutely phenomenal. I've used other lasers. We have a Glowforge as well. You probably hear it in the background. Quality on those are okay, but this is just impeccable. I mean, the product comes out absolutely flawless. It is ridiculous. Of course, it's an investment, but you got to spend money to make money, right? So in a second here, you'll see I'll pop these out. I wasn't sure there if they cut all the way through. I was a little panicked that it didn't, but of course, the Trotec delivers again. Again, you just need to wipe that a little bit and peel off the plastic so that when it's sitting on the bed on the honeycomb, you're not scratching the face of it. It's always important when you make these things, you basically put them away so they don't sit around getting scratched or dusty. Then you just pop these in the socket. You got to give them a little pop to get them to go in there. Pop it in the socket and then plug them into the USB. Of course, you can get a USB block to plug it into the wall as well. You just plug these in. It's a micro USB. It comes with it. It also comes with the remote. They can also be battery powered as well. You can see it looks absolutely sharp. Included remote. Has many different modes. There's a whole bunch of color presets in there, but there's also, I'm going to go through them in just a second. There is a couple of different color modes in there. There's also a brightness up and down when you're on a single color, or if you're in one of the modes, it will speed up or slow down the, let's see if it's fading between lights, how quickly or slowly it fades between those colors. So that is pretty much it. These are going to be made available exclusively to United Mustangs of Ontario through Dan. Yeah, look forward to making more of these. These will look absolutely spectacular. Get yours today.